Like most vinyl siding, vinyl shake installation starts with the application of the appropriate trim strips around the perimeter of the area to be covered. The bottom piece here is a starter strip which is specific to this particular type of siding product. It's installed along a level line with long roofing tacks. The upper trim is J-channel, a very common trim to vinyl siding that both terminates and secures the siding. Once the trim is in place, you can begin installing the shake siding starting from the bottom working up. Mark angled pieces for cutting by laying another piece of siding along the angled surface you're trying to match. This will allow you to transfer the angle to a piece of siding temporarily mounted in the horizontal position. These particular shakes interlock with each other at each end. Then you secure them to the wall on the top side with roofing tacks. The fasteners are not driven all the way in so that the vinyl can move slightly as it expands and contracts with changes in temperature. The cut ends along the sidewall simply tuck under the J-channel to create a clean, neat, finished look.